Hello, dear favorite armorer here.
I'm your favorite armorer.
So, what are we doing today, Carlotta Connection?
Armaments?
Yes, armaments. Armament time. So, what are we doing? Working on this guy. What we're doing is simply replacing some, well, basically brushes for this fellow. Okay. So the motor here was mounted there, and what it needs is new brushes, because I think over the years they degraded and one got stuck. I'm trying to pull it out. It's broke. Luckily I just got a couple of new brushes. Follow this way. Who may do? Robbins and Myers. Okay. Contract number. Let's take a look. Heavy little thing. Solid. Very solid DC motor. Good old trusty iPad doesn't really. Let's see. Contract number. Gotta point away because I gotta read it. 14 OS-911147 1. Part number 34384. I think it's 1 or no 84. No, sorry. Let's do it again. 341 343843. As you can see, it's in mint condition. It was never used, I don't think. It's a massive, extremely very heavy brass as well as cast aluminium gun sighting system, gun targeting system. So we leave this here until the brushes arrive. Now I've had this all apart before. You've seen many videos of it, but I like taking more videos and explaining what's going on. And move around this way. Electromechanical computer. Your firing system here, right? So that's what we're doing today. Just getting it ready for when brushes arrive, then replace. 70 volts only. Mystery item. Still can't find any info on this fellow. But we have, what do we have here? Tran, off, battery, off. A battery had to be an external. I didn't find any batteries in it. Snap switch. Should clean it up so it looks better. Battery. TRANS, I believe. And off position. Interesting. Mounted on heavy bearing mounts. data tags. Datum mark. That's for sighting in the aircraft and blowing them up. This one here, just getting it ready before I mount this fellow here, so it's getting some extra parts. Okay, that's it for that one.